Okay, so this is exactly how my son's room turned out. There are a few changes that I need to make. Like as far as that, I need to get more organizers to really organize that so it doesn't look cluttered. But other than that, I really love how everything turned out. Um, my son is 2.5 and he's still using the crib. The reason is because his room is on the other side of our bedroom, and I feel more comfortable him being in a crib than in a toddler bed because he won't walk out and have to walk through the kitchen and the living room. And so I feel more comfortable if he uses a crib. And this is what it looks like here. So first walk in, he has so many toys. I honestly don't know what to do. I already took stuff out that he doesn't need, clothes, toys, and put them away so we can donate. So this is what looks like when we walk in. And then I have this cute little thing here from Target. It was their dollar spot. That was $3. It's a little chalkboard. And what we do is this one, my husband did a little happy face for him. So what I do with him is we go over sight words. And my son is 2.5 and he's already reading sight words and almost sentences. I have videos down there if you guys are interested. So this is what it looks like. His crib, we've had it for 2.5 years. And then I love these gorgeous white frames from Ikea. You guys, I was looking for really nice frames. They're very affordable. They were $7 each. I thought that was a great price. And the pictures, I was able to develop them at Walgreens overnight, and they were ready at 6 in the morning. And they were, I think I got 5 8x10s for $20, but everything was 50% off, so everything came out to $8.60. So I thought that was a great deal. So we walk over here and we have this little rug. I've had that for a while. And this is my favorite part, you guys. This is exactly how I wanted it, how I envisioned it. Um, these are spice racks from Ikea. You guys, this is like the best hack if you guys want to be a little more organized. I felt like he's ready to, because I used to have his books down there. There's some extra books down there, and I feel like every time he comes in here, he makes a big mess. As you can see, I tried arranging them, and then this morning, he took out some books, and I told him to put them back, and that's the way he put them back, and I feel like that doesn't really work for me. Um, so this works for me because he'll get a book and he'll sit on the little IKEA table and chair. I love this, you guys. This was only $19.99, and these spice racks were only $4.99. So total of this was $40, and I thought that was a great deal. I love the colors because you can always paint them depending on how you're gonna decorate your kids' room. So yeah. And this puzzle, I love this puzzle. I got it at Home Goods. And these are some of his favorite books. I think he knows most of these books by heart. Like I tell you, he's very bright. And then here, the first row, we have this dump truck. My sister gave it to him. And I love it. I think it's so beautiful. And then here are some pine cones he's picked up on our walks, and I keep them there because he loves to play with them. And this is another picture I developed from Walgreens. This was only like 30 cents, you guys. 30 cents to develop that picture. And I put a little pumpkin, and this is from the dollar spot from last year. And my favorite thing in the room is this beautiful snake plant, and I feel like it's so important to have plants, real plants, in your bedrooms or kids' rooms. It just adds a different touch, and this one is supposed to release oxygen at night, so I love it. Look how beautiful. I love the white and the brown. And this little giraffe was gifted to my son from his grandmother on his baby shower, and I've had it since, and it's been one of my favorite decoration pieces. And on this first basket, we have like little toys and stuff like that. And I also keep puzzles here because he loves those. And in the second one, he has his monster trucks. And as you can see, he's been here, his monster trucks. And here he has, I think, his favorite. Okay, and in here, I got these at Marshall's when he was a baby. And here we have more cars, like Hot Wheels. And here we have like this little nice bucket that one of my sisters gave him, safari animals. He loves these. And then back here, I keep the chalk because he'll make a mess if he gets to them. And here, my sister also gave him these bookends. They're giraffes. I love them. Here we have more, some of his baby books. And then here, I've had these since he was a newborn, before he was born. I bought these because before where we lived, his place was gray and white. And here I have more like neutral colors. So here he has like his other toys, and here he has like play toys, beach toys, just random things. And here he has more toys. And here's another bin, like huge bin of just trucks and cars. This boy loves cars. And here I have my recliner, my rocking chair. This one I purchased it from Target. I think it was about $300, but when I purchased it Black Friday, and it came out to like 160, which I thought was great. And then I still have my genie. I still use that. And then here I have this shelf I made for him, and I keep one of his little like little frames that I got for him before he was born. It says, "You are so loved, little one," and then a little pumpkin, a little fake plant, and then a picture of myself and my husband. So I made this. I thought that was super easy. And these curtains, they are from Ikea. I love them because they are black. Like the room is really dark. He loves to sleep in the dark. And also is they help with the heat because where we live is super hot. And then here we have this mirror that we purchased at Kirkland. You guys, this was supposed to be like $30 or something like that, and we had a 40% off, and I think they had an additional, so we ended up getting it for like $14, if not 12. And I love the black, and I love the rope. And then here we have this lamp, and I also have another snake plant that I love. I also have the Echo or Alexa. I have hand sanitizer, his lotion, and some of the essentials, his brush, the diaper cream, his mousse for his hair, sunblock. And here I have bath bombs. Here I have cotton swabs. Here I usually keep a pair of shoes up here just in case when I change them. Here I have his socks and underwear. Here I have this is like a mess because this is where I keep the most important things that I don't want him to get to. Here I keep his diapers and baby wipe and his pajama that he's gonna wear. So these are his diapers. And here I keep his very important things like baby stuff. Here I have his shirts. Here I have his shorts and pants and some of training pants, training underwear. Here I have his pajamas and little washcloths. And here I have his blankets and towels and things like that, and bed crib sheets. And here we have more stuffed animals, and we have this little thing that he got when he was a newborn, and I love it because he loves to lay on it when he watches TV. And he has a little car and racetracks. And here he has his first little backpack that was gifted to him from my mom. And here I have his caps. And this is a great hack, you guys, so you guys don't have to put too much on the wall. These are little push pins, and they work well. So yeah, this is my son's room. I think it looks beautiful. I love it. Like I said, I have to fix this part right here, but take time because I need to find 6 that look the same. So This is my favorite part. I love these pictures. And then I also hung some stars that I